Welcome back to the channel. It is your favorite beach, Brittany Beach. Look.
Oh, we should do that thing. Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite beach, Brittany Beach, coming live and direct from the beach club, Beachies.
It's a bad bitch party, you cannot get in. I can take your man, pass him to my friends. I can shake your hand.
Okay, y'all. So yeah, I'm in the middle of getting ready right now, Ball Beach, but we are deciding to do a fun little style on Kim. She is my experiment. She's my like test dummy, and we're gonna be doing a bedazzled braid.
Yeah.
So we have some. What is this? Kinkawan? Keep it straight.
First of all, the Asian beauty supply store is open in phase 1, which is clearly illegal. They're like, come, yeah, just go. And I'm like,
oh, not the tea on the.
I was like, wait. I was like, you sure I can come in here? Risked it all
for some braiding hair, y'all.
I risked it all. I was the only one there, and of course they have their like plexiglass open, whatever. But whatever.
That's mad funny that they opened their phase 1. They're like, bitch, we're essential. Okay.
Yeah, they're like, we're like a manufacturer.
Alright, y'all, before we get into the nitty grit of the tutorial, there's no way that I can post a video right now without using my platform to address what's been happening in America. Because if we're going to be honest, police brutality has been plaguing the Black community since the creation of a police force, and that George Floyd video was just one of our many breaking points, all right? But there are ways that we can all get involved and fight for change right now, whether it's spreading awareness with a simple retweet, repost, quote, donating, protesting on the front lines, or signing a petition. This is the time we need to all stand in solidarity and do what we can for things to change. Alright, so I'll link down below this really dope Twitter thread that I saw that has a bunch of GoFundMes and petitions that you can sign. And yeah, I love you guys all, and please stay safe out there. And now we can get back to the tutorial. We put gel in her real hair and we brushed it down in order for it to lay flat and to be smooth with the braiding hair. This is actually the best braiding hair I've ever used. It doesn't tangle at all and it comes pre-stretched, so it gets like thin and natural towards the end, and it just makes it easier to seal the ends. Alright, and then I had Kim hold a little piece of hair so I could wrap it around the beginning of the braid so that you can't see the ponytail holder and the rubber bands, and just give it a nice smoother, clean, bad beach look. And I'm fluffing out the braid too, and it just came out wonderful, but it was definitely the hair. I'm gonna link it down below. Alright, y'all, we're gonna pin it, but I don't have a pin down here and I'm not going upstairs. And now and you can really attach the pins however you want to, but I liked a little zigzag crisscross motion. I feel like this made it look the most like uniform, but still cool, but still messy, but cool, but messy, but cool. You know what I'm saying? And we are done with the braid. Okay, now turn around.
Well, it's not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be.
There we go. Alright, yo. So we're using Gatsby Glow on her edges because
I'm natural, fully 4D.
Not 4D.
4D!
Kim is going natural for the first time ever.
I'm transitioning.
Kim's transitioning, but we're going to a little BBQ in our backyard. So
backyard queue.
they're gonna get sweated out. Alright, Kim, stand up. Let's do a reveal.
Should I stuff my belly in?
Yeah. Yes! Woo! Yes, Kim. It's so good. It's so good. And y'all, Kim has 4C hair, so anybody can do this. All my natural girls, all the 4s.
Especially the ones who are transitioning.
Especially the transitioning girls.
Thanks, Beach. Brittany Beach from the Beach.
Brittany Beach, hairdresser extraordinaire.
You like it, Mom?
Yeah.
Are you lying?
They're gonna.
That's what everybody say. 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 That's what everybody say.